What's up guys, GTA Tube here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys Nerf Gun Review 2. If you guys haven't seen Nerf Gun Review 1, go check that out. Very good video. Well, first ever video, and it's very good. Please go check that out. And I'm going to be showing you guys rival guns. As I said, Nerf Gun Review number 2. It will be pretty good. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you do, like the video and subscribe. See you guys then. What's up guys, GTA Tube here. I'm going to be showing you guys the Chaos. So as I see in my hands, you can see the 40 mags. It holds 40 dots. Well, balls. Dots, balls. You can put them in here, or you can take this off. This is what it's for, and put them in here. Well, first, you see these. If these go off, it kind of makes a loud noise. So just let them go up carefully. And once if you want to put the balls in, you gotta make them go down. All 4 of them, and then put the balls in. 1, 2. Oh, 40 balls come with it. And for the Chaos, it is an automatic gun. It costs 4 big batteries. I don't know what they're called. Well, they're like, I don't know what they're called. I'll show you guys in another video. They're like this big batteries, and 6 of them. If you guys know what I'm talking about, please leave it in the comments. It's an automatic gun. Manic, well, just how you hold it back for it makes noise, then you fire. Well, if I put the clip in, it's hard. Well, yeah, it's actually hard. You can do that, and then you can make the noise. It comes with 40 balls, as I told you. The scope is actually really good once you look at it. It's like you just gotta put like close to it, and then it's like amazing. For you to take out the clip, you gotta press these 2 and just pull it out. Pretty easy for you to do that. And that's the Chaos gun. Well, the features, the lock is right here. So when you're holding it righty or lefty's hard, the lock is right here for you guys to do that. Righty's much easier for you to do. Scope's much better for you to see. If you do lefty, well, not. If you guys are lefty, sorry. If you're lefty, you gotta kind of like do this, and that's kind of hard. So if you're lefty, just try doing righty, and if righty works for you, great. If righty doesn't, great. So that's the Chaos gun. Well, it always like tries for it to go up, and you gotta push it. Just don't make it go down. So it's like, as you guys can see, like right there, there's like a thing, or like a hodl. You just gotta take it and place it down, then put it over, then it's locked there. So that's gonna be the Chaos gun. So hope you guys enjoyed the Chaos. We're doing Apollo for you guys. See you guys then. Bye. YouTube here. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the Apollo. So there's about 40 balls here, as you can see. You guys can pause the video and count it if you guys want to. Well, I'll just finish the video first and then go back. So the Apollo holds 7 balls. It takes 6 in here, and you gotta load it for it to be in here. Or you can also do 8. You have one loaded, you just put in 7, then you have 8 balls. And then you could just hold it, lock, and unlock you could do. And to unjam it, you gotta pull it back. It's pretty hard to do it. Well, just to make sure it's pulled back all the way, you just double check. Then you press this, then you undo it, and you got 3, 6, and then heel seal 7. So as you can see, 3, 7. That is pretty good. I used to just think you just press this and this, but then lounge, you got cock it back, then do it. So that, if you guys have the power and you think this and just this, you lounge, you got to pull it back and press the unlock or the unjam button, and then this one back here. It is not an automatic gun. It's not like the Chaos that I just showed. It's, you gotta cock it, and then you put it up, then it's ready to load. Put you have to cock it back. Why did you say bat? But still pretty good. A gun lock is you just gotta push it back, and then you can see it heal and push it back to get unlocked. And if you know it's loaded, you can see like orange, like right back here, or you probably can't see it, where you can see orange. And if it's not orange, it's not loaded, so you can throw in that. And those one dot in there right now, you can cock it back again, and then those 2, and then watch. 1, and then they will fly. Over here, I'll just get that later for you guys, and that's basically the Apollo. You can do 3 if you want. It might jam, but it probably won't. And if it's jammed, I'll show you how to do it. So that is the Lava Apollo. See you guys then. See you guys in the next video. GTA Tube out.